Good morning, children. We have been studying the chapter Locating Places on Globe, and in the previous period we studied latitudes, and today let us discuss longitudes. What are longitudes? The vertical imaginary lines that cross the equator are called as longitudes. They are in the form of semicircles which converge towards the two poles. They are all of equal lengths. The lines of longitudes are drawn all around the globe at an interval of 1 degree. Prime meridian, the line of longitude that passes through the British Royal Observatory at Greenwich, London, has been adopted as a prime meridian of the world. It is 0 degree longitude. It passes from the British Royal Observatory, Greenwich, London. You can observe on the globe. There are 180 longitudes, each drawn on both the sides of the prime meridian. 180 longitudes to the eastern side and other 180 longitudes on the western side. In total, there are 360 longitudes on the globe. And the value of the meridian of longitude starts from 1 degree to 180 degree towards the east as well as west side of the prime meridian. The prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere, the half part of the earth towards the east of the prime meridian is called as the eastern hemisphere, and the other half part of the earth towards the west of the prime meridian is called as western hemisphere. Now let us see what is grid. A network of the lines of latitudes and longitudes intersecting, crossing each other is called as a grid. And each place on the globe is intersected by the lines of latitudes and longitudes. Thus, with the help of this intersection, we are able to get the exact location of that place. That is latitudinal extent and longitudinal extent of that particular place. Longitude and time. In ancient times, changing seasons, day and night, and position of the sun were the means to estimate the time. People observed the sun in the sky to estimate the time. If the sun is overhead, people used to estimate that it is 12 noon. Each longitude takes 4 minutes to appear before the sun. It means that 360 longitudes take 24 hours to complete one rotation of the earth. Let us see through a mathematical expression. 360 longitudes into 4 minutes will get 1440 minutes. If you convert 1440 minutes into hours, we'll get 24 hours. Why does the earth take 24 hours to complete one rotation? It is because each meridian takes 4 minutes. There are 360 meridians. They take 1440 minutes. That is 24 hours. Now local time. Friends, all the places located on the same meridian have the same local time. And local time of one meridian differs from the other. For example, if it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the local time of 30 degree east will be 2 p.m. The local time of 30 degree west will be 10 a.m. How? Let us see through this mathematical expression. All the places that fall in the eastern hemisphere, they will be ahead. And all the places which are in the western hemisphere will be behind of the Greenwich mean time. Now 30 degree east. So let us convert them in hours. 30 into 4 minutes means each longitude will take 4 minutes. 30 longitude means 30 into 4 equal to 120 minutes means 2 hours ahead. And 30 degree west equal to 30 meridians into 4 minutes equal to 120 minutes equal to 2 hours behind. So all the places that fall in the eastern hemisphere will be ahead, and all the places that fall in the western hemisphere will be behind of the Greenwich Mean Time. Now Indian Standard Time, it is also called as IST. India is a very vast country that falls into many longitudes. So it has different local times. In order to avoid the confusion of local times, we have selected 80 degree 30 minutes east meridian as the standard meridian, and it passes from the city of Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. The local time of this meridian is selected as the standard time of India. It is in the eastern hemisphere, therefore we are ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time. If you convert 5.5 hours, they will get we are ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time, that is 5.5 hours. This is enough for today's class. So in this way we have completed this chapter. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.